Okay, here we are, room 214 here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Tulsa/Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. We have electronic keys. It's pretty cool, digital key. We'll go to the Hilton Honors app. Loading my stay. Digital key. Room 214. Tap to unlock. Here we go. Boom, look at that. Green light's blinking and the door opens. How cool is that? Okay, we just used the digital key to open the door to the room. Let's come on in and check this place out. All right, there we have our microwave and a coffee maker, Keurig, ice bucket. Let's hit the light switch here and let there be light. And all right, we have the mirror over there in the closet area. We have our iron, some storage and drawer baskets. This is pretty cool. I like this. All right, down here, another one of the storage drawers. We have our collection of hangers. That's a pretty cool rack. The ironing board and door to the bathroom. Okay, it's kind of illuminated in here already. What's going on? Oh my goodness, check this out. The light strips on and off, and then we'll turn the lights on in here. Nice toilet bowl. We have the toilet paper with the edges folded. Good selection of towels. More towels down there. There's the Conair hair dryer. Pretty cool sink. Neutrogena soap. That's all going home with me. Maybe I'll take that home for the wife. I don't know. Pretty cool looking shower/bathtub. Not really big enough for a person my size, so I'm looking at showers. And there's that foot towel, or as Puerto Ricans would say, the mystery towel that just stays there while you're taking a shower and gets soaking wet. So let's check out more of the room. All right, so we have the two beds, thermostats over there. Temperature's pretty cool right now. All right, we have a little seating bench area, TV. There's a remote, desk lamp. Oh, look at that, some electrical outlets with USB ports. USB ports everywhere, folks. Over here we have digital clock, telephone. We can turn these lights on here. Oh, look at that. And again, more electrical outlets, his and hers, if you will, with USB ports built in. And we have a little coffee table over here and a nice chair for relaxing. And we have another lamp. See how you turn this bad boy on. Oh, okay, there's a switch here on the handle. Boom. And now that lamp's on. Fantastic. So, folks, that's the room here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Tulsa, Broken Arrow. Going to be staying here for the next 2 days for drill weekend. It's going to be an adventure. Hope you guys like it. Let's see. Oh, we didn't go in here. We have a mini fridge. And hey, it's nice and empty, but it's cool, so we can get that going. I get some food in here. And Hilton Honors member, so complimentary bottles of water over here. So, see, Hilton Honors free, all other guests $2. So, yay, another free $4. And also, as a Hilton Honors member, I have vouchers here, complimentary breakfast vouchers for the next 2 days for 2 people to eat breakfast. And I enjoy food. On a diet, but you need your nutrition. It's going to be a rough weekend. All right, that's everything we have going on here today, folks. We'll check back later.